I've just joined Mark in the workshop. Now, Mark, Acrona have been going 40 years. Where did it start?
It started in a little shed many years ago in Botley, I believe. It was just Albert on his own. He took on a couple of youngsters, and here we are today.
Now, you're the second generation.
I am, yes. Yeah, big shoes to fill, let's say.
Now, for people that have not heard of Acrona engineering, what kind of components do you pride yourselves on?
We've acquired a reputation for problem solving, and if it's difficult and other people turn it away, they come to Acrona. It's usually small, complex. That's really where our stall's laid out.
So effectively, you're doing the work that other people don't want to do.
Yeah, I guess so. But it's not a bad reputation to have, to be honest. If no one else can do it, come to Acrona.
No, 100%. I totally agree. I mean, that illustrates the kind of skill levels that you have here. So, in regards to components, you have a couple here.
Yeah.
So,
Absolutely.
can you kind of talk me through these two components? So, these apparently were made on the lathe in two operations on the lathe.
We've got a couple of bar-fed Doosan lathes, and they've got a sub-spindle and a live tooling. So essentially, a beautiful part such as this can come off in one process. Naturally, a sub-spindle will pick it up to do a back-op, but really, it still blows me away how something like this can come off a lathe.
Now, your latest acquisition, you've purchased in yet another full simultaneous fifth axis machine. How is this expanded your horizons and your capabilities?
Well, we're really excited about this because, like I said, it was a huge investment last year. We bought two full simultaneous 5-axis Hercos, and really it's helped us immensely. Our existing parts repeat work, we can now hit five sides in one setup. But it's also allowed us to do much more complex, better paying work, which is really where we're headed.
Now, that's great, Mark. Now, in regards to manufacturing more complex components,
Yep.
comes along with its own problems in regarding the inspection of them. And that
Absolutely.
leads us on to Colin, who's going to talk to you in the inspection.
So, Mark, latest acquisition, talk me through it.
This is an incredible time saver. It's fully automatic compared to our old manual CMM. This is a racehorse chasing a donkey. Basically, it has a Renishaw P20 head on it, which can measure infinite angles. It's streamlined production, really. Essentially, the quicker you can get a first off out into the workshop, the more capacity you create out there.
Yeah, really impressive. And so previously manual, this is doing it all in a matter of minutes.
Absolutely.
And then once it's finished, you have a report as well, is that right?
Yeah, it kicks out an inspection report, which more and more our customers are insisting on. Yeah. So it's a huge benefit.
So just further value for your clients at the end of the day.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think what we'll do now, that's a great facility there. What we're going to have a look now is the 3D printing, because I see you've got one of the components you manufacture there.
Yeah, it's fresh off the press. It's always nice to rapid prototype a part to realise what you're dealing with before you enter into the machining process.
So another one of your latest acquisitions.
Yeah, absolutely. It's always nice to be able to rapid prototype a part that we were asked to quote on. You know, it's also nice to get a feel of what you're working with before you actually machine it. It's a good conversation starter, and it adds value to our service as well with our customers.
I'm assuming as well, when you're out with a client, you can actually, and with the design service, you can add value by saying, well, we can machine it slightly different to make it more efficient, make it a better product.
Yeah, if we can help improve the design for our customers, then they appreciate that as well.
Clearly invested heavily over the years and been really, really successful. So quick summary of Acrona for us.
Basically, customer satisfaction and quality in delivery. That's what we aim for.
That's it, nice and simple. Mark, thank you very much.
Thank you.